A few months back, I uploaded a video about my Anthurium magical leaf, and it took me a month to observe the growth. As this is winter season here, so the growth of my plants are really slowing down. I was so hopeful and I was going to have something different experience, and yes, it was really good experience for me to have such a leafy experience, I would say. It was turning with so stunning and with a tiny root spot, so I was hoping to have a baby Anthurium out of that. Not sure if you had any experience something like that, but I think it would be really best if you comment below your feelings on any different experience with your Anthurium like this. A week after, the bottom of the leaf went more mature and strong, and it was about to blow out. And I was having suspicious mood on this, really. After another week, it was blooming with the mature flower, which really born from inside of a leaf. I'm sure this was not right spot to have flower, but it's really good to see. So guys, thanks for watching my experience on Anthurium. If you like this video, please comment your thought. Thank you.